Mathir Bazaar, situated in the Broadway area of Kochi town, attracts customers to its colourful wholesale shops of toys, stationery, plastics and other paraphernalia. But this small dingy lane, situated right in the middle of Ernakulam constituency, is platted with posters of neighbouring Alathir constituency. Congress candidate M.A. Sheba seems to be jostling for space with left nominee P.K. Biju and BJP's candidate Shajuman Wattikad. Well, that's news to the customers who come here, but it is hardly surprising to the 500-odd shopkeepers. Actually, all the shopkeepers and even the staff are permanent residents of Kudamkolam, a town 100 kilometers away which falls in Alathir constituency, and that explains the campaign posters of the Alathir contestants here.
Campaigning हुआ से कोई लोग आता है इधर, रहने वाला लोग है ना इधर, खाली नेटिव हुआ है, वोटिंग उधर है, सब पर्पस तो वहाँ ही है, बिजनेस खाली यहाँ से 7,000-8,000 वोट यहाँ से होगा मार्केट से.
Together with their family members, they account for almost 7,000 precious votes, and no party would want to ignore such a big number. All the candidates have personally come here and canvassed for votes. In democratic fights, even heavyweights are not sure of the margin, and some have fallen by even single vote. C.P. Joshi in Rajasthan being one of them. So the shopkeepers are exuberant as the mighty have bothered to travel over 100 kilometers to seek their votes.
Every vote is valuable. So they are coming all the way from there and meeting us, and we are very enthusiastic. So everybody has decided to go on the election day to our native place and vote for the candidates.
Mathir Bazaar lies right in the middle of Kochi town, but the shopkeepers have voting rights somewhere else. This small lane is a source of their livelihood and now have also become a showpiece for the democracy and its intricacies.
Well, that is the beauty of democracy. Even for once in 5 years, the VIP comes calling to you for your precious votes. All these shopkeepers may be doing business in Ernakulam and Kochi, but they are voters of another constituency. And no matter what their number is, candidates of all the major parties have come here to garner their support. Ravi Dhiman, DD News, Ernakulam.